Step number 1. Do as I say in this video. Step number 2. Enjoy free PayPal money. Hello everyone. My name is Joey. And welcome to Finance Combat. In this video, I am going to show you how to make money by just watching your favorite YouTube videos. Yeah, it's that easy. Before we start, please subscribe and smash that like button. And let's get started. So to implement this method, first of all, you need to go to YouTube and search for an entertaining, viral video. For sake of this tutorial, I will choose this Fortnite video. Just copy URL of video, and then go to shrinkum.io. It is an URL shortener. Sign up for free here, and paste your link here, and shorten it. Now if someone click on this URL and watch video, you will get paid. Here you can see, you will paid $300 for every 10,000 clicks. And to get a lot of clicks, you just need to join multiple entertainment Facebook group, and then just send your URL in that group every day, and then just fall asleep and get huge amount of money in your PayPal account. Thanks, and make sure to subscribe.